Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick in EditPlus. So, first we need to download EditPlus. Just search on Google. This is the trick which I recently learned from one of my friend. So, thought I should share it with you guys. Go to the first link, then click on download. I think the first one is 32-bit and the second one is it is mentioned 64-bit. So, as I'm using a 64-bit machine, if you want to check which machine you're using, so you need to go to your PC, this PC, then right click and go to properties. So here it is, system type is 64-bit operating system. So let me go back to Google Chrome and I will download the 64-bit. This is an evaluation version. If you want, you can go for the purchased one, which will have more feature. Click on start download. It will take few minutes. Once it is done, I will be installing EditPlus. So I will go to my Internet Download Manager. So here we have downloaded. Now we will open it up. It will take some time. So here you go. Click on accept and it will start the installation process. It is so if you want a shortcut on your desktop, you can click this checkbox. I don't want, so I'm going to uncheck the checkbox. So now I'm going to click on start copy. It is copying files to my hard drive. Okay, now once it is done, it will greet you with a message, setup completed successfully. Now I will go to start and search for edit plus. And we will open this app. As I'm running it is showing the license agreement, just click on yes. You can click on yes. These are the default settings. So you can click on trial, then click on I agree. Next we can create a normal text page file. We can close this menu. Okay, let's leave it that for now. So I'm going to open another Excel sheet. So we need to open a blank workbook. Now I'm going to type some text. Suppose I take the days. I type Monday, Tuesday. Now I'm going to use this plus icon to get the other days. So once it is done, I'm going to copy all this text using Control C, or you can use the by right clicking the mouse and selecting the copy option. I'm going to paste all this data. I've pasted it. Now I will search, then go to replace. So here I'm going to find what I'm going to type /t, which stands for tab, and replace with /n. /n means new line. So first search, make sure you have selected regular expression and support /u/l/e. So you see it is finding all the tabs. Now I'm going to click on replace all. So all tabs have been replaced by a new line, which is /n. So this is the complete trick. So basically you can use this trick to arrange all the data which is present in a row in a column, and you can do the reverse of it also, simply by going to search, then going to replace, and instead of find what you need to type /n, which is new line, and here you need to choose /t. Click on find, so it is finding all the new lines. Once I click on replace all, it will again change from the column format to row. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, New Tech Tricks TV.